Hey Toffees, I'm TZ and I'm back with some more DIYs for you. Today I'm making a dresser for Barbie. It's not just any ordinary dresser, it's a glamorous dresser. So let's go crafting! Go crafting! First we will construct the chair and the table for the dresser. For this, I will be using two different types of sticks, some card sheets, scissors, X-Acto knife, and some glue. This may sound silly, but I'm going to start with sticking the sticks together this way. Let's stack the card sheets together and paste them. This is going to give us a strong base for our table. I'm going for a glamorous look, so I am going to paint these black. For the chair, I have painted black inside the plastic container cutout. I'm going to place this under the cushion this way and flip the remaining behind the chair, this way. For the cushion to take the shape of the chair, I am going to use thread around it like this and tie a knot at the end. For the remaining part of the cushions, I will use some hot glue and paste it so it stays stable. Now I will glue the legs to the chair. And our chair is ready. I found some old magazines and some of the artwork is going to go really well on the wall. I'm going with this one because it has all the colors we're already using. We're going to measure out our wall frames. Cut the artwork, match it with our card sheets. For the frame, I will use some golden card sheets. I already have some bricked walls from my previous videos. For the insides, I'm going to use some really fancy wallpaper. For the Barbie dresser, I will make a makeup palette. I am using black card sheet for this. And I'm going to cut the sides equally, stack them together. Cut out a piece for our brush. Punch a few holes in it for the color shades. Place the mirror and the frame. Apply an even layer of clear nail color. Let's give our Barbie a sparkle compact as well. This one has shades of brown, orange, and sparkle white. I have made few different types and sizes of brushes, 3 nail colors and 2 lip colors. Now comes the best part, putting all the crafts together for Barbie. So let's get to it. For our glamorous dresser, we're going to give Barbie an entire corner. Toffees, this is easy peasy and oh so pretty. You're going to love it. I love this DIY and I will bring you some more next week. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never ever miss out on an update from me. TZ signing off. See you later!
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.